The Mirpur is a well-known place for BUP and MIST students. I always come this place for having juicy nachos in this shop named Invite 2. We previously ordered a normal nachos. Despite that, we couldn't finish it up. But this time we're gonna take tower nachos. So let's check it out, guys. We will taste the tower nachos. Here you can see. With every single bite, the warm cheese was filling my mouth, and there was plenty of sliced meats on the nachos. So that augmented the taste. And I would just surely say it's so scrumptious, and I would rate it 8 out of 10. And the guys are very affable. If you add some extra cheese, they would provide you as well. So I would recommend you guys on taking this juicy, delicious, scrumptious nachos. You won't regret, I bet that. So that's all, guys. See you later.